Okay, so this is the green laser Morse code. We're using a Samsung phone to drive the code. He's just saying, "I lay peaceful claim to Mars," over and over again. Pretty impressive. This is a 100 milliwatt green laser. It's an Evo laser made by Wicked Lasers. And it's linked to the phone by a data port at the side of the laser. And it's using an Android app. You can kind of see the laser up close. It just says it over and over again. And we of course send that into space, directed right at Mars. And in the case of the Saturn systems and the Jupiter systems, well, we just change it. We usually say, "peacefully lay claim to the planet."